What is up, YouTube? I'm Tom, and this is Tech Time, where I bring you all your tech all the time. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with my weekly content. Big shout out to Supcase. If you're new to the channel or if you've been around for a while, I love Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro cases. They are my go-to case for work. I work landscape construction, so I need something that's going to give me a lot of protection. So Supcase is always my go-to for rugged cases. They were nice enough to send out this t-shirt right here and a whole box of goodies. We got a little cup that says Supcase on it in like a teal color, which is really cool. And then we get a whole slew of cases for the Galaxy S10 Plus. So right now we're going to take a first look at these cases. Obviously, I can't test out all the features on them because I don't have the phone. I do have a dummy unit, so we'll be testing some size and stuff like that, taking a look at what they look like and some of the features that may come on the Galaxy S10 based on the dummy unit. So we're going to get into that. We'll kick it over to my table and I'll catch you guys over there. Okay guys, we're going to get into the first look of the Galaxy S10 Plus cases from Supcase. I have 4 different colors of the Unicorn Beetle Pro because we're assuming this phone is going to come out in a couple different colors. There's a black, there's a white, possibly a green, and then there's also maybe the purple and the blue. So we'll see which ones come to the United States, which ones actually come out right away. That's something to keep an eye on. But this is the black version of the Unicorn Beetle Pro. This will be probably the one that I use at work if I get the Plus. If not, I might be getting just the regular version. Really depends on price. I'm not about to drop, $1,300, $1,400 on a new smartphone. So here we go. The back of it, Unicorn Beetle Pro. You got your kickstand. This is what I really enjoy about it, is that the way it clips into the holster, because I use it on the belt clip holster at work. Really, really nice. So there is no screen protector with these. I normally cut the screen protectors out anyways, so this actually works out perfectly for me because now I don't have to cut out the screen protector and deal with all that nonsense. So you put your little finger in the corner right there and you pop it out and you work your way around and it comes out just like that. So let's take a look at the S10 Plus. The triple camera setup on the back. There will be a dual camera setup on the front, so you will have 5 cameras. And this is, pretty much what it's going to look like. This is a dummy unit. Notice down the bottom, you get your USB Type-C, your speaker, and then you also have a headphone jack. So that means the headphone jack will be coming back this year. Also a microphone, and then you get your SIM card slot, another microphone at the top. Speaker is going to be dual speakers, most likely bottom speaker with a top speaker. So to put this case on, you're going to take it like so, put the outer edge around first, and then you slide it in from the bottom. Push it all the way around. And now, based on, this dummy unit, it fits really nice. It's actually really light. Obviously, when this thing is completely glass, it's going to be a little bit heavier, but I'm not sure how heavy these phones are going to be. Samsung does a pretty good job of keeping them, pretty lightweight. The nice thing is about these cases is you get the dust flaps, even though the phone is IP68 water and dust resistance, most likely, if not even something higher than that. The dust flaps do come in handy. And then, you got all your cutouts around your speakers. Can't test any buttons or functionality or anything like that because obviously this is a dummy unit. But you can see you get a nice amount of lip right there. Still curved on the edges so you can reach all your edge panels because of these curved infinity displays that they have. So most of your protection is going to come from the top and the bottom. When you drop it like so, you're going to have that protection because of that nice raised lip. So these are really nice cases. Slaps in just like that. Now this is a 6.4-inch screen and it is about the same size as the Galaxy Note 9, the screen size, but the size of the phone is going to be much smaller. So this is a Galaxy Note 9 in a slim profile case, and it's about a little bit bigger than this in a really rugged Unicorn Beetle Pro case. So that's pretty nice with the hole punch design that they're doing. That's going to, bring down the screen size because it's reducing the bezels. So let's take a look at the other colors that we have over here. We have the white version, which for me, it's not going to be the best option at work because it will get dirty. But if you're somebody that rocks, you know, a case like this and you want the white version, boom, there you go. White and gray. Does have the black holster. So, you know, a little bit of a clash right there. But it is actually pretty sleek in white. Put that baby back. Take a look at the purple one. This is going to be like that lavender purple. It's actually like a metallic. You know, it's not bad looking. Not something I personally rock, but, you know, to each their own. Any of you women out there or guys, you know, doesn't matter. That could be for anybody right there. And then let's take a look at the blue. Now, it's pretty common that they've been coming out with blue phones, so they might come out with a blue version. There it is right there. I was actually rocking this blue color on my Google Pixel 3 XL because they sent me this case out, and I had no issues with it rocking the blue. So there's the blue. So you get 4 colors. I probably will be doing a giveaway at some point with some of these cases because I'm not going to be able to, you know, keep them all, and I'm not going to use them all, so might as well give them away. So stay tuned for that. That might be coming on Instagram or Twitter. We'll see what happens. So let's put this back in the box and get this out of my way. We got plenty of boxes that we got to go through. We'll throw those off to the side. Let's get this one back out of the case so we can look at our 2 other cases that we have. Now this thing fits really nice on there, and I'm assuming it will fit even nicer on the phone itself. Now these dummy units are designed to spec, obviously, so these case manufacturers can get their cases going before the phones are out, and that's where a lot of these leaks initially come from, is case manufacturers that get this information. So this one right here is the Unicorn Beetle. It's the Sport, and it's in green. Let's take a look at this. So this is a nice little case right there. It reminds me of the Nike watch bands for the Apple Watch, pretty much. You get your Supcase branding down there. Green inside. It's actually a wicked nice feel, though. It's like a kind of like a sticky, not really sticky. I don't know how to explain it, but it's a really nice soft touch but grippy plastic with all those little holes right there and the neon green. It's actually pretty sleek looking. I like this. It's definitely sporty. I could rock this at the gym or something like that. Super slim profile. You know, you get a little bit of protection up at the top right there. Top and bottom's the same. With these infinity displays, you can need your edges to be pretty much flush. I was assuming these will work with most screen protectors. Shouldn't be an issue. But from what I've heard is the Whitestone Dome glass screen protector will be the only one that's official to work with the in-display fingerprint sensor. As you notice, there is no fingerprint sensor in the back, so you will be getting an in-display one. And right now, what they say is the Whitestone Dome will be the only official one that works. So we'll see what happens afterwards, but we'll take a look at that when that comes out, because that's going to be, you know, something that's pretty nice is the Whitestone Dome. But now this one right here is the Unicorn Beetle Metro case. Let's take a look at this. And this is in black. It's actually like a frosted black. Now this is sleek looking too. You got Supcase down the bottom. There you go. Now that's nice looking. Slim profile. Again, it's got that nice, kind of like a sticky, tacky feeling rubber TPU. You can also put a lanyard there if you want. It's nice. Get protection at the top and bottom. Again, so you can drop this face down with no issues. And it fits really tight. Nice. Obviously, like I said, I can't check the buttons or anything like that. The buttons look nice, but it's something we'll have to test after we get our actual phone. But it's nice. Cutouts look pretty perfect. So that's it, guys. That's a first look of the Supcase branded line for the Galaxy S10 Plus. Obviously, they'll have them for the S10 and then the S10 Lite or S10e, whatever they're going to do with that. But this case right here is my go-to. So whatever phone I do get, if it's the regular version or whatever, I will review this case specifically again because this is my go-to case. If you guys have any questions about these cases, let me know. All the links will be down in the description. So when the phone does drop, you know, you can go and pick these up. Or if you want to try to pick them up early, they should be ready to be released today or tomorrow. So definitely go check those out. The updated price will be in the Amazon link down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, think about hitting that thumbs up. And until next time, guys, I'll catch you later. Peace.